Hello, I'm back. Got my Art Snacks unboxing here to do for yous. This is the November Art Snacks box. So, yes, you know me, I don't have patience. I went ahead and opened it. The candy they sent this time is a thing of sweet tarts. So there's that. And then the sticker this time is like a brownish looking colored pencil. And let's start. Oh, this was like a bonus item. It's Yupo paper, which I've always wanted Yupo paper, but it's expensive. So I am excited to kind of work with this and see what that's like. Okay, so here's what came in this month's box here. The first thing is the Molotow liquid chrome marker, 1mm. It is a $9.95 retail, and that would be this one here. It is a special edition. It says, for their 20th anniversary, Molotow has introduced the festive liquid chrome marker, a celebration in a pen. With this unique marker, create high gloss mirror effects on non-porous paper or metallic effects on regular absorbent paper. The alcohol-based ink is highly opaque and permanent, which makes it perfect for adding shimmering final touches to your work. This pen is also refillable, so don't worry about using it too much. So let's see. I'm going to try it on this Yupo. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, what do you do? What? Oh. There it comes. Ooh, that is really pretty. Oh my gosh, it is really mirrored. It just looks like a mirror. That's crazy. Can you guys see that? Looks like a mirror. Nuts. Hello. Okay, so it is Molotow liquid chrome. So there's that. Okay, and next is the Amsterdam titanium white acrylic marker. So this must be this. This is a 2mm and it is a $7 retail. It says, we always appreciate valuable blending tool, a valuable blending tool. The Amsterdam titanium white acrylic marker lets you work quickly and directly on a variety of surfaces. It features water-based pigmented white ink that can perfectly blend your two new Tombow twin tone markers together. So there's that. And of course it's white, so you're not going to be able to see anything. There we go. There it is. Wow, that's nice. Nice white. Okay. And that is the Amsterdam acrylic marker. And it's permanent, max light fastness, and water-based. 2mm round nib. Okay. Next is the Caran d'Ache Graph Wood Pencil. Ta-da! It is a $3.65 retail. It says it is a staff favorite. So let's see. Oh my, it writes really good. With the comfortable Caran d'Ache Graph Wood Pencil, sketching has never been more enjoyable. Featuring a creamy soft core and hexagonal body, no wonder this is the most premium graphite pencil offered by Caran d'Ache. This tool comes in a variety of grades, and its varnish color represents the hardness and depth of the graphite. Which one did you get? I got the 4B. and it's like super smooth. Of course, it could be the paper. Yeah, the paper's really smooth too. So, there's that. Caran d'Ache Graph Wood Pencil 4B, Swiss made. And last but not, well, not really last, but these Tombow Twin Tone Dual Tip Markers, $3.50 combined retail. It is a new product. Double your creativity this month with 2 Tombow Twin Tone Dual Tip Markers. These water-based markers have durable fiber tips on both ends, a broad bullet tip, and an extra fine tip. Their ink is saturated with color that pops on your page and can also be blended out using water. Clip these charming markers onto your sketchbook cover for spontaneous doodling and lettering. So let's check them out. Okay. Oh, that was the, looks like the marker tip, I guess. Or the broad tip. And here's the fine tip. Okay, and that is not sure what color, but it is a blue. And this one is a green. And here is the marker tip. And the tiny tip. I forget what I call it. And there they are. Okay. And then last but not least is this bonus item. Yupo Medium Mini Paper Pad by Legion Paper. Paper has never been more exciting, dramatically changed the way you draw or paint with Yupo Medium Paper. This synthetic, tree-free paper is non-absorbent and waterproof, making the creative possibilities endless. Build up layers easily on the smooth surface, but be careful not to smudge your work as you go. Markers and paint will take several minutes to dry, so that's why that screwed up on me when I touched it. Okay, so here's that, the Legion Yupo paper, just a little bitty paper pad. And then the joke is, what's a painter's favorite type of music? Do you know, Michael? Does anyone else know? Anyone? Answer is the blues. Ha ha ha. Alright guys, that's it. That is everything that is in the November Art Snacks box. Here's the paper and the candy and the sticker. So yeah, there's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and tell your friends that I'm here, because I'm here all the time and I really like being here, so I would like to continue. So if you guys would, about 350 subscribers. If you guys would like to see more videos, go ahead and like this video and leave me a comment. Also, don't forget, I will be doing that giveaway when I reach 350 subscribers. I think I'm at like 310 or something like that now. So, I'm still growing, slowly but surely. Alright, that is it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!